People in America, they think they are saving the world by buying electric cars. I have some bad news for you. No, you're not. So think about people with the mindset of electric cars that we are not using internal combustion engine cars. We're not using fuel. We're not using gas. We're not using diesel. We're not using petrol to drive our cars. Majority of the countries in the world still they use fuel to burn it and then make electricity out of it. In which sense you're saving the world? When you're using the same or more amount of energy to create more energy to get your car powered up. If you really want to save the world, why you are not banning ships, cargo planes? The amount of sulfur a ship creates, that's equivalent to 50 million cars.